Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday. What have we been up to this fine morning? Well, we woke up at around 8 o'clock and I remembered that we needed to do the grocery shopping, so we went to the shops, got ourselves some breakfast and then commenced with our grocery shopping. And now we've come home. I'm just sort of in the middle of packing it all away. And after all of that, I think we're going to sit down and we're going to play a way out, which is excellent because I've been really looking forward to it ever since it was announced at E3. As we were driving in today to the parking lot, all the lights flickered, like they flashed on and off. We were like, oh, that's weird. It is quite windy today. I don't know, maybe the wires or something, like all the lines are crossed or something. I don't know. Something's going on because it happened again. You know, that's got to get in the way of gaming if there's some sort of power issue all day. I'm just trying to set you up. You kind of need power to power the console and the TV and things like that. So at the moment everything seems to be fine. The light in the dungeon just flickered. Great. Excellent. What the heck is going on today? I'll see if my computer's still on. I did turn it on. No, it turned off. That's not good. Alright, there's obviously some sort of issue with all of the wind and stuff. I think we'll have to resort to plan B for today, which is cleaning the car? This is a man who's ready to play video games. This is a girl who's ready to play video games.
Get off the bus.
Intro complete.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, we have finished playing the game. My goodness, that was very close to that pole. It was really good. I will recommend it if you're looking for a good co-op player game. That one's quite good. Very much in the same vein as Army of Two. If you've ever played that before. Very storyline based, lots of cutscenes, lots of like, what are they called when you have to...
Slow time events or something?
Quick time events.
Quick time?
Yeah, because you got to react to it really quickly. Anyway, we've been playing this game for the past 6 hours, which means we've been inside since about, 10 o'clock in the morning. So we thought, we should probably get outside in the sunshine while it's still there. It is now 4:18 p.m. What did you think of the ending?
It's good.
Yeah?
Good
You liked
twist.
it?
Pretty different to your normal co-op game.
Yeah. Oh, you want glasses?
I've got them.
Alright.
Yeah. You can open them.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the bay run, and David's got his skateboard, and hopefully there'll be a bike, and I can hire a bike. And we'll just, do some exercise today. Oh, it's bright.
Thanks. I don't know how to get there.
Oh, okay, I've got to
It's
navigate.
too much road work.
and gentlemen, I might be allergic to nature. Woo! I couldn't help but start sneezing and I have an itchy nose and my eyes are watering and stuff after going outside. But man, was it worth it. It was so beautiful, so picturesque, and I've never felt so confident on a skateboard before in my life. So I feel like that was a win for today. Alright, what's on the agenda? We're gonna cook some dinner, gonna do some prep work, gonna do some video editing, and then we're gonna get ready for tomorrow, because it's Monday. Yay! Monday! Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen, it's the end of the night. I am gonna start editing on my computer. Yeah, I don't really have anything much else to add except for tomorrow's Monday and I've got uni, so who knows what you're gonna get. It's a mystery. But what I can say is I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm doing videos every day for the month of April as part of VEDA, and I will see you tomorrow with some sort of video. Peace out.